Jimmy Fallon's Tonight Show debut notches 11.3 million viewers. Jimmy Fallon's midnight debut as host of The Tonight Show drew 11.3 million viewers, almost triple the show's average audience this season. Jimmy Fallon's Tonight Show debut draws 11.3 million viewers. Jimmy Fallon's debut as the host of NBC's Tonight Show drew 11.3 million viewers, network NBC said on Tuesday, making it the second most watched episode of the late-night talk show in the past 5 years. Tonight Show's Jimmy Fallon draws 11.3 million viewers. In his first night as host of NBC's Tonight Show, Jimmy Fallon drew 11.3 million viewers, according to preliminary numbers released by NBC, nearly 3 times the show's average viewership so far this season. Jimmy Fallon, Tonight Show debut scores 11.3 million viewers. The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon attracted 11.3 million viewers in its debut on the NBC network last night, drawing about 5 times the audience of the new host's competitors with the Olympics as a lead-in.